Hello friends, welcome back. Speed Vlog, Mike Bailey. We are going to Cincinnati this week. In Veda, we might get some chili. We might also not. Who knows?
Am I supposed to give you my feedback on if we're going to get some chili? Well, I'm not going. You say we, but you mean the we.
I mean us.
Yeah.
Us.
Yeah, so maybe you get some chili.
Should I get chili or no?
If you encounter some, you could get them.
Okay, let's go. AEW Dynamite and Collision. See you guys there. Good morning, friends. It is a beautiful day in Cincinnati. We are at the Grady Cole Music Center, right across from where the Bengals play. Today, Dynamite, tomorrow, Collision. And if this weather is anything to go by, it's going to be a wonderful show tonight. Kevin Knight is facing John Moxley. Lots of excitement. I'll be right there. Let's go. Look at this beautiful town.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's gorgeous.
Oh, look at that Cincinnati skyline.
Luckily, you're here. Hold on, the sun's in my face. I gotta change
this
side.
way, and I
there
can
you
show
go.
my t-shirt this way.
Oh yeah, you can.
Look
Dark
at this
Order
beautiful t-shirt. You can get at Shop AEW.
Is it AEW Shop?
I think it's shopaew.com.
But it's AEWTix.com.
Yes, but I guess they don't like to be consistent.
That makes sense.
Yes.
However, do you know what's extremely consistent?
No.
Doing a professional wrestling match for 24 consecutive hours.
Well, I do want to make a correction. We actually streamed for 24 hours, and some of us, actually I wrestled this one, 21 hours, 49 minutes, and 12 seconds, which is the world record, although we could not do officially because Guinness World Record wanted $17,000 for us to officiate it.
Which is insane. And again,
Yes.
I said this, I had a phase in my childhood where I was obsessed with Guinness World Records, and because there were two that I thought I could break. One which isn't very hard, which is eggs broken on the back of your wrist. So basically you push your fingers back and break,
Okay.
And also, and the other one, and this is one that is, David Chutong has the record.
Okay.
And it's most boards broken in a minute with head flips. So you just put your hands behind your back.
Like the head resorte?
Yes, without your hands. No hands.
Okay.
Boards are on the ground. And I tried it at our Taekwondo school, and I could do it like fairly easily. But what I didn't have was $17,000 to spend.
So I've always been curious about those boards. Like, how would you, I mean, you got to go full tilt with your brain on it, right?
So, no, there's
It's like exact point is where
there's
you
varying
hit it. Okay.
thicknesses. It's thicknesses for the boards, but it's regardless of the thickness, it's a lot more about precision than it is about power. If you hit it with the right angle, then it's going to break. And also, if your holder is holding it properly, if your holder is scared and moves the board back as you're about to hit it,
you're going to break your hand.
You're not going to hit
or
it.
your head, or whatever it is.
But we're not talking about breaking boards here. We're talking about breaking records.
That's right.
And raising like $30,000.
Yes.
For the Canadian Cancer Research Society.
On the stream alone, on the Canadian Cancer Society fundraiser, we raised about 36.5 by the end of the stream.
That's
by
insane.
the time, when does this drop
Incredible.
usually?
Monday.
By Monday, I don't want to get too ahead of it, but Fighting Back will be this Friday when this is filmed.
That's right.
And on top of that, and we also have a benefactor that's going to add money to it. We might be over $100,000 by the end of the weekend.
That's crazy.
And over in the last 13 years, Fighting Back, which is our yearly charity event, we have raised over
With C4 Wrestling,
with
based out
C4
of
Wrestling, Mystery Wrestling, the good people Mark P and Stephen out in Ottawa. We've raised over $700,000 for the Canadian Cancer Society.
That's incredible. That is incredible.
With too much wrestling, though. I will say, 24-hour stream of wrestling, it's too much wrestling. Please, when next year I say I'm doing this again, tell me no. On this very video, I would say I wouldn't do it. So I'm telling you right now, I don't want to do it.
Right.
I do not want to do it.
He's not going to do it.
I'm not going to do it again. It's a really bad decision to put 30 of your friends in this situation.
Not going to do it. He's going to do it again like next month.
Hey, Kevin.
Trying to stay ready because who they, the jet is they. That's the famous saying out here in Cincinnati, home of John Moxley tonight. And we had a tough task. Last week, I don't like how he did my mans. I don't like how he did my boys. So I'm coming back with revenge.
Yep. And he said it last week, he wasn't this hyped up, but he went on a morning show, a whole ass live television show, to talk about how AEW Dynamite tonight was going to be like a Hot Pocket that stayed in the microwave for too long, or something.
You know, I went to college and everything, but I can't quite understand what Mox is trying to get at. You know what I mean? A hot pocket, 3-4 minutes. It's a little contradicting. I'm not sure. But just like the hot pocket, the Jets about to explode.
That sounds bad. That sounds very bad. I don't know why we want to explain. Well,
we don't want to explode?
Typically, like if you're a country and you have jets, right? Like you're fighting a war, you don't want your planes to explode. You want the jet will
I see what you're
go,
I see what
drop
you're
some bombs on things that will explode, and then return to base safe.
Yes.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Yes, 100%. But I meant to explode as in, I'm bringing him all the fire.
Right, okay, yeah. You're going to blow him up. We're going to blow up John Moxley.
Yes.
Like a hot pocket in a microwave or...
3 to 4 minutes, because we're not cooling down.
No, we're not.
Jet speed is always up.
Jet speed's always up, always hot. Let's go.
Speedy, I did my best. You know, I didn't like how you did you last week. So I
didn't like it either.
So I came off the rip, you know, trying to give it to him. But you know, this is his hometown, Cincinnati. We was in enemy territory tonight. Not only that's one of the toughest opponents I've ever been in a ring with, it's one of the toughest environments I've ever been in a ring with.
Justin.
But you know what? We pulled it out. And Justin got nothing to do with this.
Nah, fuck Justin.
Fuck Justin.
So do you know what I think happened mostly?
Talk to me.
In the crowd, there was I saw a bunch of people with Channel 9 t-shirts. And Moxley said his favorite local news channel is Channel 9.
Right.
So I think we had a lot of Channel 9 people.
We had a lot of Channel 9 people. You know, a lot of people.
Hey, shout out Channel 9. It's not a bad channel. Nothing against Channel 9 personally, but it's the people who support Channel 9 that I'm not into. No, but seriously, tough match. Once again, lot of people to deal with. Too many guys in the Death Rebels.
The Death Rebels? Death Rebels?
Death dealers. Death Locker.
Right.
Death business.
Something like that.
Killing business.
Not Death Note? No. Okay.
Death Note's an anime.
Damn. Ghost Rider.
Too many people in the Ghost Riders.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you know, we just try to come up with our best plan. We need more people on the Jet Speed side. You know what I'm saying? Jet Speed is a 2-man team.
Hey, send in your resumes if you want to join Jet Speed. Drop it in the comments.
We need your work history. You know what I'm saying? We need your progress reports.
Yes.
You know, we need your driver's license, all of that. So just put it in the comments.
We need your qualifications or lack of qualifications. I mean, there's no diploma required.
How many Fortnite wins you got? How many prestige that you got on Call of Duty? Whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Just let us know.
Your high score on Balatro. What stake are you at? Which deck is your favorite deck? We need to know. All of this stuff is part of your Jet Speed application.
Everything. Who would you choose in Pokemon? Is it fire, grass, or water? I need to know that.
Oh shit.
I'll tell a lot about you.
So I'm a dark.
You a dark guy?
And yeah. Hunter.
Ooh.
Haunter.
Oh, Haunter guy.
And I could never get Gengar because I had Pokemon Red. And so he doesn't evolve unless you trade it, and no one trades because it's a dumbass thing.
Right.
Yeah. Psyduck. I rocked the Psyduck too.
Psyduck, okay. Yeah. I'm a dragon guy. I like the Dragonites.
That's a cop out. They're too strong.
I like the Dragonites. I like the Salamence. The Gyarados. I know he's not a dragon, but he looks like a dragon.
He does, yeah.
Dark, so.
Nah, that's a cop out. They're too strong.
Until the fairies came in.
Yeah.
Until Gen 6, I believe. But you know.
You lost me to Gen 6.
That's here and there. But send your resumes in, please.
Yeah, send your resumes. Tomorrow's Collision. We'll see what we got. We'll see what happens.
We colliding, folks.
And we'll check in with you guys. All right, friends. It's Thursday. Collision, but it's Thursday, but it's also Saturday because we've got a time cop situation. But speaking of time cops, we've got someone right out of the Matrix.
I got a nice stretch there with my back.
Yeah, I think that spot might happen in my match too. It often does. Yeah. But Jordan Oliver, Game Changer Wrestling, Juggalo Championship Wrestling. Yeah. Jordan Oliver, you've got a match today. You were here yesterday.
Yes.
You had a match yesterday with Hechicero.
Yes.
But today, they're really putting you through the ringer.
I know. I'm gonna get beat up so bad.
I know. So this is your match. which I'm gonna watch live and pay close attention to,
Please.
because it's a crazy match. I don't know. I'm not gonna say exactly what it is.
Yeah, I can't spoil.
There will be spoilers, but it's gonna be announced and then it's gonna air on Honor Club, and you guys can watch it there.
Yeah.
But it's a big match.
I'm gonna get my head kicked in. Mike.
Now people think it's Daniel Bryan. Maybe it is.
Oh my God.
Who knows? Maybe it's someone
I really don't want to
just as cool as Daniel Bryan.
I don't want to cross those roads, man. Oh man, I'm stressed.
But yeah, then I'm up first on Collision. So how you feeling?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I feel great. Yeah, I feel really happy and really blessed and really lucky to be in this situation, because it could be so much worse. This is like a dream scenario when you think about everything that's going on right now. Yeah. I could have writ this and then been like, that will never happen, and it's happening.
There's no guarantees in pro wrestling, but good things do happen sometimes, and if you guys maybe put a word in, get that Jordo is all elite graphic.
It might be because I just wrestled you last week.
That's right, and I did say it. You guys saw the vlog. All right, back to my business. All right, we're up.
We up soon.
Collision. Death Riders, one more.
One last little hoorah here in enemy country, here in Cincinnati. But who they? Jet Speed is they. We coming to get some revenge, some redemption. Cause Mox, you got both of us the last couple of weeks, but you just in there with you, and let's just say we're gonna take advantage. We're gonna take advantage.
You said last. I doubt this is gonna be the last time, by the way. I think we're gonna try, do our best to put a complete end to the Death Riders. Just annihilate them, destroy them, put them out of commission, comprise them to a permanent end. No, compromise them to a permanent end, or whatever it was John Cena said about Osama bin Laden. We're gonna do that. All right.
I like the throwback. I like the vocabulary, but more important, I like where we going, Speedy. We got the matching uniforms on. We feeling good, looking good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Juice, I brought you out here because I promised my audience that we were gonna get a good PTDR this week. Because I didn't do one last week and everyone was mad at me. They said, you need to do a PTDR. And you just finished a match. You're sweating, but you won.
Did win.
So you got something to be happy about. How's your leg?
It hurts, but I think it'll be all right.
All right. Are you okay enough to do a PTDR?
What's that?
So PTDR, the most requested segment on my vlog. Basically, this should just be my vlog, but it stands for the paper towel dispenser review.
Oh, okay.
And I think this is the perfect one because, as we know from the left hand of God, you are left-handed.
Yes.
And this paper towel dispenser only has a distributor on the right side. So
a lot of stress for a guy like me.
Big problem. I can't see the brand exactly. I can't tell what it is, but it's extremely bare bones, manual. So again, a huge flaw, very common, is that the trash can stacks up. And so you have to reach into a bunch of dirty paper towels in order to grab a clean one.
Yep.
Oh my God, this is so bad. Look at this.
That one might be used.
Terrible. But then you'd have to turn it, but then you'd have to do it with your non-dominant hand.
Right.
So please give it a shot.
Doorknobs are the same way.
Oh my God. Nothing there. Is it even working? Okay, there we go. We got a drop.
Much harder.
Now let's see the tear. Hit us with the tear.
Can I use my dominant hand?
You can use whichever hand you want.
Ha!
Oh, okay. That's not a bad cut. That's kind of okay. It's a little bit shreddy, a little bit flaky. Now, these are rated on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, but sometimes up to 7. So here at the Grady Cole Music Center, what does this get?
Is it locked?
Oh, it's locked. Lock and key. Can't break into that and steal the paper towels.
Let's give it 5 stars. I think
5 stars.
Very
Well
clean.
done.
It's clean.
5 stars in the Grady Cole Music Center. All right. Thank
I
you so
prefer
much.
hand dryers, blow dryers. But I heard that actually spreads more germs. You were gonna tell me that? I could tell by the look on your face.
Everyone, no, I wasn't. It's very, very evenly distributed. people love the blow dryers. People think that the blow dryers are unsanitary because of the germs. People think this is a waste of paper and you should be recycling it, which is weird.
The thing about the blow dryers is, though, then you get to the doorknob, and what do you touch the doorknob with, which we know is dirty?
Well, my whole thing is that I think the world is just filthy, so we might as well just live in the filth.
Live in the filth. Build your immune system. It's the best way.
And we're back. I have failed in my goal to get some Cincinnati chili while out in Cincinnati because yesterday the show ended too late.
Real late.
So between that and dealing with the Death Riders...
You have 0% battery on this thing. How do you live? Anyway, sorry.
No, I don't.
Death Riders.
It's working. Look, it's not 0%.
It's almost zero.
Filming. Oh my god, another terrible thing. No chili. Death Riders. Batteries dying. But at least I'm back home. And next week, we get to go to Glasgow and then London.
Not even next week. We're leaving in like 2 days.
Shoot.
Pack your friggin' bags.
Well, I promise that my luck will turn. I will eat good food. I will hang out with good people. I will win matches. And will be on top of the world. And you're coming with me.
I am. I'm pumped.
Okay, let's go, friends. Thank you all so much for watching, for commenting and liking and interacting with all the algorithmic good time fun stuff. I'm going to get some rest, and I'll see y'all next week.